Oh, I see him right there.
Oh, I saw him. All right, guys.
Turn left onto Rosario T. Vela Avenue.
The day.
Then turn left.
What's happening, Kev?
I'm buying a special car. Special car.
Special car for the channel specifically.
Yeah,
because
channel.
It seems like you guys liked something about it.
Something about that car.
Something about something.
That car.
Shh.
Turn right
something
into
about
the parking
something.
lot.
And we decided, hey, let's deliver. So Kevin's doing big things out here, and you guys are gonna have to stay tuned. So stay tuned.
The parking lot.
All right, guys. Quick update. We just got the truck, and we got the trailer. So Kevin's ready to go. We got all the paperwork,
Driving,
all the tools. This is the first time Kevin's driving a truck and trailer, so it's gonna be interesting.
it's good. But I have an expert with me. It's my dad.
This is Papa Kevin. All right, guys. Let's get out the show on the road. Definitely been sitting.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in there. So the windows work and everything?
Yep.
Cool. Sunroof works?
Didn't try it so far today.
Oh sweet, so this should have I have the stock wing.
Yeah.
But it's in the Concord gray. Oh wow. Relatively clean. I know, it's Toyo too. That shit is expensive. Instead of having a ready hold on intercooler.
On the gas, I'm holding like about 2,000 RPM.
Sounds pretty good. All right, buddy.
Did you get any videos of it running?
Yeah, I got one clip.
Oh, dude.
All right, guys, it's official. We just got her loaded up, ready to go.
Well, I'll give you a little overview of what's on this car when we get back.
Yeah, we'll do another little interview.
Yeah, I'll leave that for a little bit later, but I'm excited. You can't see me underneath this mask, but I'm smiling. I'm smiling. I'm smiling.
Yeah, this car is really clean. It needs some stuff. Look at this.
Straight barn find. Straight barn find.
No rotting, surface rust. Fucking mint.
Not bad at all, dude.
Damn.
I honestly I can't believe it.
And he got it for the same price I got mine.
How do you feel, Marvin? Point the camera on yourself, man. Vlog for a minute.
He got a really good deal. I fucking love it. I'm happy for him.
That's a real friend. That's real friend stuff. Real friend stuff.
Alright, so first problem already on our way home. The trim for the sunroof.
No,
it was coming out completely.
No.
Classic 240 problems.
Alright, so here it is in all its glory. What do you guys think, bro?
You get the same car as Marvin.
What?
What do you think?
I like it. I like it a lot.
It needs a lot. It has a lot of rat shit and
Look at the front end.
stuff, but it has so many good parts. It has so many good parts.
It's no joke.
Yo, pop the hood. Pop the hood. So it's got R33 GTR wheels. It's got 300ZX brakes. This is the real star of the show. It's extremely dirty though. But it's got notch back SR20 from a Zenki S14. It's got the Greddy intercooler. It's got a really rusty pipe. It has a Garrett GT28 71R turbo and 760cc injectors. But other than that, I mean, it came with a bunch of stuff. It's got some good gauges. Got the AM wideband, whatnot. It smells extremely bad. There's so many bugs and rat and stuff in here. And it also came with this. Check it out. Fresh.
Can't wait to put this on. It's nice. Just gotta heat it up a little bit.
It has a bunch of
It's just really dirty.
really dirty. It was so this car actually was like legit. I'm really sweaty, but it doesn't matter. I'm sweating extremely hard. It's hot. But this car was pretty much like a straight barn find. It was literally sitting for 2 years in the grass, and I managed to connect with the guy that had it, and you know, things happened. I managed to scoop it up for a super great deal. Shout out to that guy. Cool, he was super cool dude too. But yeah, it's a factory Kouki too. It's just really dirty. Really dirty. It even came with like a bunch of stuff. Oh, it came with 300ZX brakes for the back too. It's kind of nasty. Oh.
It up and the smell got even stronger.
It's in here.
A little hole, you can go in there and shit.
Look at that shit. That's really
It's
nasty,
like
dude.
fucking Columbus's map right there. You see it?
That's really nasty.
See that
Damn.
fucking paper back there?
Yes! We just dug in there and found a Pexi SAFC. Damn! Ugh!
Damn, that shit stink, nigga.
That's really. Alright, so it's getting late. All these guys are about to head out. But yeah, this is the car. Let me know what you guys want to see. I might do a video like just sucking all the rat stuff out of this car. And I don't know, that might just be it. But also, James got a car today as well. He also bought a drift car. Yeah, that's right. This guy right here. He bought a drift car.
Don't tell him, don't tell him.
I'm gonna make his own video for that though. He's gonna get his own video, but we were both doing stuff today, and neither of us told each other anything. I didn't tell anybody anything, but yeah, that'll be it for this video. Comment down below. Let me know what you want me to do. Like, comment, subscribe. You already know. Share. But it's gonna be it for today.